Oh wait, Lux isn't loaded. Oh well. Let's see. It looks like a support Lux with illusion. I'm going Caitlyn bot lane. Looks like so Jax against Malphite. It's not the best matchups really, because Jax can just farm. Unless Malphite plays really good, and then we can get a good gank by Warwick. But other than that, Jax is pretty safe if he plays it well.
Time for a shakedown.
I mean, this team comp Warwick can do like good, because we do have hopefully my Sona is good and she can ult well.
Welcome to Summer's Rift.
Because in this case, if Malphite can ult, or Sona can ult, and Ziggs can ult on that, and Warwick has to pick somebody out, whoever it is, and just be able to kill them, like me and him.
30 seconds until minions
Lux got, yeah, we know that, okay. Yeah, Lux got TP. So, I mean, this should be a very poke heavy lane. I mean for like both of us should be really poking, because it's Lux and Lucian, and it's Caitlyn and Sona. So hopefully the Sona is good and like kind of has aggressive pokes. I don't know why Warwick stopped there. That's just really weird. I don't know. Alright, okay.
Let's investigate.
That should be good enough.
I love the
Hey.
Where's the tray?
It's probably in Jeff's room.
You're gonna have to go get it.
Shit. I don't know if he's there right now though. Give me 1 sec. Okay. Alright, got 2 auto attacks on him.
headshot.
Okay, good. Oh shit. That's not good.
Hot on the trail.
I need to get it.
Miss? Not by a long shot.
Oh, this guy's not that great.
Right.
Oh shit, wow. I
Time
missed
for a
time.
shakedown. Who doesn't like aiming at the gun?
Alright, okay.
Want to see a hat trick?
Oh shit, I shouldn't have hit by that.
Right.
Alright, I need to play better. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Miss? Not by a long shot.
Ah, that should have been a better cue than me.
I love it, chase.
Alright, cool. It's fine if Sona gets it. Okay, I gotta pay attention. Oh shit.
Got them in my sights.
Alright, focus more on. Alright, just up.
Keep the long gun at the low. Don't be caught flat-footed.
Okay, that should have took him out, so you'll lose all this farm. That'll be really good.
I have a choice, Joe.
Oh shit. Cool.
Hot on the train.
I'm just gonna stay here. It might be a little risky, but
Up for a showdown.
okay, I'm gone. Yeah, I'll go check if he's there, okay?
Alright. No, I mean, I don't need it now.
Yeah, I'll get it as soon as he comes back. Should be back in a couple of hours.
Me? Miss? Not by a long shot.
Get that. And we should get more bots.
Let's investigate.
Alright, that should be good. Let's see. How am I doing? Okay.
Don't be caught flat-footed.
That was. Oh my god, I'm so glad he didn't die. Just go. She should just back right now because she's really low.
Sorry, boys.
At least she has mana, so I mean. Oh shit. Okay, good.
Hot on the train.
I should take. Oh.
Time for a shakedown.
Alright, cool. I should put a thing there. As soon as I can reach level 6, Lucian should be dead every time.
Want to see a hat trick?
Oh wow, he actually stayed. Well, he's lucky I didn't reach level 6 yet.
So many things. So little.
Oh, nice.
I just love the patience.
Oh, shit, what is work? Okay, I have my ult now, so.
Boom.
I should probably push this in because I'll create pressure. We have wards, so I just need the 6. Okay.
Want to see a hat trick?
There we go. Back a bit.
Don't be caught flat-footed.
Good, is missing all that CS. Oh, okay.
This doesn't look really well.
Cool. Actually got that one. Oh,
Hot on the Concentrate.
You just here, huh?
So many days. So little time.
Oh shit, oh shit. Oh man. Oh, that was... God damn, Oh no. Okay. I guess that wasn't so bad for me, but oh. Damn. Well, let's see if it goes any better. She has no mana, he has all the he should have just one after, okay. Okay, I gotta concentrate on this game. Okay, let's see how everyone's doing. Alright, Malphite has a kill, that's really good against the Jax. Nier has 1-1-1. Lee Sin has a death. We're 7-2 right now, which is actually really good. Okay, just staying in lane. Well, someone's gonna protect that. Keep trying to take this turret. Hello?
Hi, yeah.
No, I'm busy right now.
Okay. Well then, can you come upstairs when you're not busy? Because all my stuff is here, so I'm
Okay.
able to do anything quick.
Alright. Bye. Alright. Back to the game. Okay, cool. Got that. Oh shit. Nice. God. That was auto attacking? I should have been auto attacking. Hopefully that was auto attacking, but cool. That was really bad on their part.
Sorry, boys. I took the fuzzy parts.
I'm coming, I'm coming. Alright, giving myself some mana.
I love the chase.
Alright, back. Wow, he missed his slide. Wow. Okay, I should probably go back and get my bloodthirst. Yeah, and shoes would be good. Okay, let's look at Lucian. Ah, damn. Anyway. Need some help. Okay,
Miss? Not by a long shot.
cool. 187 damage. She has 154. Okay. Interesting. 79 farm to 50. Ooh, Malphite's losing in farm though. It's not good.
Right.
Okay, my heal is coming back up. Alright, I gotta
Meet the long
clear this
bow.
way a bit. Alright, good. Gotta put some traps down too.
Time for a shift.
Oh shit. Oh,
Don't be caught flat-footed.
oh, nice, okay. I should put a trap down right here.
Let's investigate.
I should probably get some mana back. Oh shit, okay. Should be able to get one auto or something like that on him. And then kill. Why not that hit? Cool.
Got them in my sights.
I'm glad my Sona is pretty good in this. Yeah, we don't have a ward there, so.
Me? Miss? Not by a long shot.
Yeah, I should be able to get my shoes in. Yeah, I definitely want to get food trigger. A little bit more mana pot.
Let's investigate.
Alright, yeah, I should probably go mid. That Jax is getting his farm. Even though he died once, so that might be a problem. Okay, that she just teleported. Okay, the jungler is mid. Oh shit! Oh no! Did he just? Oh shit, wrong button. Oh. I should heal right now, get more mana. Damn. Alright, got it. He'll get that turbo, that's fine. He'll just back and I'll just back it up. Probably get to sell that. Get some. Probably I'll get armor. Yeah. It's not good to keep those, so yeah. Okay. So I'll leave it.
I love a good chase.
Come back. Alright. Okay, good. The Jax doesn't seem too good. For some reason. Oh, he probably couldn't have killed me. He doesn't really have enough items to kill me. Yeah, anyway. I have to farm better. I've been farming really bad this game. No, oh shit. Okay. I should come in.
Let's investigate.
This may be a dangerous path though. Oof. Oh, there. Oh man. Oh, didn't even go through. Oof. Oh, they're going against Jax. Interesting. Odd. Oh wow. Yeah, they should go to Cal. Oh, he missed that. Okay. Wait, I could probably sell this.
Miss? Not by a long shot.
just back off. I think I should probably push mid and then go help them with dragon. Yeah, that was a little bit bad in my positioning. I noticed it. Oh, I guess I didn't need to push mid. Yeah, I guess they're losing. Alright. I should probably go take red. Can I get red? Okay, cool. Alright. Something to do with Caitlyn. Go in the bush. Attack. You get those resets faster. A little thing. Not big, but sounds good to do. Good. Okay, now it's gonna be a little bit harder to kill. Hopefully I position better this time. Wow. Well, I mean, they're getting hit, so that was kind of. I guess that was worth it. Maybe I shouldn't have been playing with them though. I should probably went with them. This is not a good fight. Yeah, that was a good fight. Probably get next is. Actually, magic resist is probably the best thing. Because I'm low on magic. Yeah, I mean. Because I am being hit by Lux. In fact, I should probably get. Oh, nah, I can't get it, but. Damn it. We bared some. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. She have blue belt? She didn't get it. Oh.
Let's investigate.
I think someone just took it. That's interesting. Oh shit. That's not good. Oh shit. Shouldn't stand in that. Okay. Alright, we should just push mid. I mean, we just got one of them, but that was just a support. They do have our Malphite. Actually, why not? I don't know if it's the best idea though.
Don't be caught flat-footed.
Well, we can see. Yeah, they're going to the base. It is a good idea. We can see Jax. So. And we have. I just warded that, so we have completely warded. Like, it's not like a Lux can ult and try to steal or anything. And you know, my Malphite's up, so he will have it up. Oh, she's being. Oh, okay, good. She's not. Yeah, we should take that top tower, but we should be careful about it. I'll just hit this. Does he have? take this pretty easily. Yeah, I think they just gave up. Yeah, they seem to have just given up. Oh, maybe they're just waiting for him. Oh shit, I did.
You belong on the left.
You have slain Lily.
I have a choice.
Oh shit. This is not good. Oh shit. Alright, actually now we can take it off. I didn't even notice that hit this time. Alright, GG. Oh, well maybe not. You know, I haven't seen him. I haven't seen Lee Sin and how fun is that? I don't know too much about.
Victory!